Good morning, dear students. Welcome in social science class. Dear students, as we all know that we have started community services chapter, that is chapter 5. We will resume our topics of this chapter. The last topic is left, that is trees. We will see then. Yes, trees. We can start from here. Trees provide a green cover to our earth. We know that trees are very important aspect of our life as well as our environment. Without trees, we cannot live in a proper manner. We will not get oxygen also. They are our best and most valuable friends. Life is not possible without trees. Yes, is exactly, it is true. We said that trees are very important. They give us innumerable. Innumerable means number of gifts like water, flowers, fruits, vegetables, medicines, spices, and shade. Many important things they can provide us. The most important of thing of trees is that they can clean the atmosphere by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. This statement is very important. You can underline it. The trees are having an aspect they can convert carbon dioxide CO2 into oxygen, which is quite important for the human beings. Do you know a wise man was asked what he would do if he knew that he had only one more day to live? Then he promptly replied that I would plant a tree because it is quite important in present scenario. Next we have, in recent times, forests have been cleared for agriculture, building houses, hotels, hospitals, transport system, resorts, etc. Because we can see the way the population is going to increase. We need these important aspects for the facilities point of view to provide an individual. The cutting of trees has disturbed the balance of nature because it will create a environment degradation. It has created air pollution just because of cutting of trees, lowered the level of underground water because no rain is there, and reduced the number and species in animals, birds, and plants. It creates problem to these species whenever we are cutting or increasing the number of deforestation. Now people are becoming aware of the importance of saving natural resources like water, forest, wildlife, etc. Just because of the need of air, they are planting trees so that the roots absorb the water and raise the underground water level. Because slowly and gradually people are able to understand, they can aware themselves with the consequences of deforestation. Now they are going to start planting trees and how to save them. This will also save our wildlife, animals, birds, and insects. Natural resources are the gifts of nature to mankind. It is our responsibility to hand over this heritage to our future generations as well. Because if we are spoiling our environment at present, it cannot be saved anymore for the future generation. So our responsibility is there to save our environment in a proper manner. Our government has banned cutting of trees. Many projects have been started to plant more and more trees like One Mahotsava, each one plant one tree, etc. One Mahotsava is a kind of forest festival where the people are about to plant saplings and all, trees and all for the future generation. Do you know Chipko movement? It is very important and it was started in 1974. Movement created awareness that trees are important for life. Under this, what happened? The people were just uh, hugging the trees because the officials they were trying to cut these trees and the forestry areas for the different purposes, and the people of Uttarakhand region they were about to stop them. Instead of cutting the trees, they were just telling them to kill us instead of cutting the trees. One Mahotsava is celebrated by planting trees in the first week of July every year. And in June also we are celebrating Environment Day, that is in 5th of June. So it is a festival of a tree planting. Just we have a small clippings of these, we can say that, projects. The Chipko movement, you can see this. This is the region over here where the Chipko movement was started first in India. It is the destruction of the forest spread in the hills of the Uttarakhand in 1970s, but in 1974 it was started in a proper manner. The first Chipko action march in 1974 in Reni village. It was in Uttarakhand, Gopeshwar in district Chamoli of Uttarakhand. Next, we have the person who has started first this project, the Chipko movement, that was Chandi Prasad Bhatt, and he organized rallies to protect the forest from mass destruction as well as deforestation. Next, we have the lady who was also taken step against the officials who were actually cutting the trees. The lady, that was Gaura Devi, an elderly woman, head of the village Mahila Mangal Dal, and mobilized village women for the movement when he accompanied men marched to cut the trees. Now next we have, what is Van Mahotsav? It is a festival of planting trees and forests. One and festival stands for Mahotsava. Under this, what happened? Why it is celebrated? To raise awareness among the masses about the importance of trees, their plantation, as well as the conservation. Even it was initiated in 1950 by K.M. Munshi, then the then Union Ministry of Agriculture and Food, to create an enthusiasm in mind of the people for the conservation of forests and planting more and more trees instead of cutting and deforestation. You can see, if we are cutting trees in a reckless manner, we will no more any trees over there, and we will just lead to such kind of situation. Drought situation will be there, and we are not supposed to get proper rain in time. So what we have to do, we have to plant tree, and we have to take resolution that each one plant one tree. And here is a effort of one student, that plant trees to reduce pollution. Planting trees leads to afforestation. This we have to think about. Plant trees and keep them under care. Plant trees and save the earth. Plant trees and develop earth, and one tree equal to 10 trees it can be there. And save earth, save environment. So this was all about today's topic. Read chapter carefully. Thank you.